Okay guys, in this video I will teach you how to make list of categories plugin. Okay, the first time that we have to do make our plugin. Okay, I already made my plugin. The first time that you have to do is make an information of your plugin. There is a plugin name, plugin URI, and description, version, and require PHP author URI, and other else. Okay, then we have to make a class of our widget that extend WP widget. Why we have to extend WP widget? Because if we don't extend to WP widget, our widget will not show in widget list. WP widget, it means WordPress widget. Okay, then we have to make a construct in here. This will the first time that execute when make a new instance. There is our ID widget, and this is name of our widget, and there is a description. Then we make our widget function. There is a function, extract function. This is used to extract args variable. This is a array that has before widget and after widget as the key. We can make this as well. But if you're too lazy to make long as this, you can use an extract function, then just call the key as variable. Okay, then we make a variable of our title. This is our widget title. It needs instance title. Then there's a simple logic to check there is not empty title. Then we echo our title. Then we use bootstrap. Then we make a div class for a container. Then we make our filters. The filters we'll use for filter our category list. There is a parameters, hide empty, we set it to true, and order by name, and depth 3. If we set it to false, it will show a lot of categories that has no products in it. Then we don't want that, right? Then that we have to do, just set it to true. We will hide the categories that has not product in it. Okay, then we make a categories variable. We use getTerms function to get the categories. This is a table of category. We can change this because this is the default name of categories tables. This already set it from the WooCommerce. Then we apply our filters. Okay, then we make a loop in here. We loop the categories as cat. Then we echo the view. Then we call getTermLink function to get our category links. Then we echo our category name. I will show you the list of parameters of the categories. Then we echo the after widget. We have to make our logic between the before widget and after widget. Then we make our public function form. This is for a view if we register our widget. I will show you later. Then we check there's already has title or not. If it is, then we declaration a variable, then fill it by instance title. If not, we make a new title. This is for admin form. This is a label and input class. This is simple HTML. Then we make a update function. It will execute if we make a new change of the title. Then we make a function to load a widget that has register widget, and we call the add action to initialization our widget. Okay, I will show you. I already make my plugin, then there it is. I already activated. Then that we have to do is go to the appearance and to widget. There is. Then scroll to bottom. We search our plugin. There it is. WP beginner widget. Then we choose which side we will put our widget. I will put it to product catalog sidebar. There is in here. Okay, then add a widget. There you go. This is the form function. This is a form for our widget title. It will check if there's already has a title or not. If not, it will fill by new title. There you go, new title. Okay, this is for the form, this form. Okay, we will type category as the title and save, then click done. Okay, let's refresh our main page. There's an error. This is because I deactivate some plugins, not because we make this plugin. Then there it is, our category plugin. It just show the category that has product in it. Because we set the hide empty to true. How if we set it to false? Then save it and let's see. There you go. There's category that didn't have products. For example, this one. Look at that. It made a bug because we call a category that has not products. We don't want that, right? Then we will set it to true. Okay. Some of you maybe ask about the parameters of our product category. Then I will show you. I already made it. And here we can type echo print r and cat and save it. Let's refresh. Okay, let's see. There you go. There is a term ID, name, term group, term taxonomy ID, taxonomy, description, parent, count, and filter. We need in here just a name of category. Okay, some of you maybe ask about what's the difference between this one plugin name and this one, and what's the difference between this one and this one. I will show you. This one plugin name is for our plugin name in plugin menu, and the description is for this. Then what are these for? WP beginner widget for this, the name of our widget. Okay, then this one description, sample widget based on WP beginner tutorial, is for this. Let's change this to make sure. Okay, then we make the description then okay, then save it. Let's refresh. Okay, there's no WP beginner widget. It will be in here, custom category list, and the description is my custom category list. This one will execute if we change the title, this title. We said this title is category. There you go, category. Then let's change this to product category. Then save and click done. Let's refresh. Oh yeah, I will remind you, don't forget to put a tag for a link. For link, if we click the category list, you can use get term link function, then fill it with the your category array. It's automatically detect the link. There you go. New title. Okay, some of you maybe ask why I comment this code. I was try the print R to get the parameter and try this function to get to make sure this is the right function or not. Then this one I was try to make a drop down menu for the subcategories. You can see in here this one beras, it's supposed to be in here in bahan makanan. It's supposed to be the child of this. This is supposed to be the parent of this. This one as well, makanan instant, it's supposed to be in here as subcategory. I was trying to make that, but yeah, I fail. I was make a drop down menu, but when I click the list, it doesn't show. Maybe I will try it later, and I will make a tutorial how to make it. Okay guys, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you can make your own plugin, your category list plugin. See you guys in the next video.